Welcome back to your go-to destination for everything related to motorcycles. If you're passionate about bikes and want to stay updated with the latest models, reviews, and riding tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's exciting topic. The Yamaha R15 series has long been a benchmark in the entry-level sport bike segment, known for its blend of performance, design, and technology. With the unveiling of the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5, Yamaha has once again raised the bar, introducing a host of upgrades that promise to redefine the riding experience. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at what makes the R15 V5 a game-changer in its class. The 2026 R15 V5 showcases a bold and aggressive design, drawing inspiration from its larger siblings in the Yamaha R series lineup. The sharp, aerodynamic fairing not only enhances its visual appeal, but also improves high-speed stability by reducing drag. The addition of aerodynamic winglets, a first in the 150 cubic centimeters segment, further contributes to its dynamic stance and performance. The full LED lighting system, including sleek daytime running lights, DRLs, ensures excellent visibility while adding a modern touch to the bike's front profile. The compact tail section, with its minimalist design, complements the overall sporty look, making the R15 V5 a head-turner on the road. At the heart of the R15 V5 lies a refined 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine equipped with variable valve actuation, VVA. This engine delivers a peak power output of approximately 18.4 PS, offering a smooth and responsive ride across various RPM ranges. The integration of a quickshifter as standard allows for seamless gear shifts, enhancing the bike's sporty character. The engine's performance is further complemented by an optimized suspension setup, featuring upside-down, USD, front forks, and a monoshock rear suspension. This combination ensures precise handling and improved comfort, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling twisty roads. Yamaha has equipped the R15 V5 with cutting-edge technology to enhance the riding experience. The fully digital TFT instrument cluster provides clear and concise information, including a gear position indicator, fuel gauge, and trip details. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their smartphones with the bike, enabling features such as navigation, call alerts, and ride analytics. Safety is paramount, and the R15 V5 comes equipped with advanced features like dual-channel ABS and traction control. These systems work together to provide enhanced braking performance and prevent wheel slip, especially in challenging road conditions. The addition of multiple riding modes, sport, street, and rain, allows riders to tailor the bike's performance to suit different environments and riding styles. While the R15 V5 emphasizes a sporty riding posture, Yamaha has ensured that comfort is not compromised. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs provide an aggressive stance ideal for spirited riding, while the redesigned seat offers improved cushioning and support for both the rider and pillion. The seat height of approximately 815 millimeters strikes a balance, making the bike accessible to a wide range of riders. The R15 V5 sets new standards in safety within the 150 cubic centimeters segment. The dual-channel ABS system ensures effective braking performance, reducing the risk of wheel lockup during sudden stops. The traction control system, a first in this category, prevents wheel spin by adjusting power delivery, particularly beneficial in wet or slippery conditions. The bike's handling is further enhanced by the inclusion of wider tires, offering improved grip and stability during cornering and high-speed maneuvers. The combination of these safety features and handling enhancements makes the R15 V5 a reliable choice for both novice and experienced riders. The 2026 Yamaha R15 V5 is expected to be priced competitively in the market, with an estimated ex-showroom price ranging between 1.85 Indian rupees lakh and 2.05 Indian rupees lakh. Yamaha is anticipated to offer the bike in several attractive color options, including racing blue, matte black, and metallic red, allowing riders to choose a variant that best suits their personal style. The official launch is expected in late 2025, with availability in select markets initially, followed by a broader rollout in 2026. In the competitive 150 cubic centimeters sport bike segment, the Yamaha R15 V5 faces stiff competition from models like the KTM RC 125, Suzuki Gixxer SF 150, and Honda CBR 150R. However, the R15 V5 distinguishes itself with its advanced features, refined performance, and aggressive design. Its combination of technology, safety, and aesthetics positions it as a formidable contender in its class. Refined 155 cubic centimeters engine with VVA and quickshifter. Advanced safety features including dual-channel ABS and traction control. Fully digital TFT instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. Aggressive and aerodynamic design. Comfortable ergonomics suitable for daily commuting and spirited riding. Slightly higher price point compared to some competitors. Limited storage space due to the sporty design. Aggressive riding posture may not suit all riders. The 2026 Yamaha R15 V5 is a testament to Yamaha's commitment to innovation and performance. With its blend of advanced technology, refined engineering, and striking design, it sets a new benchmark in the entry-level sport bike segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer looking to experience the thrill of motorcycling, the R15 V5 promises an exhilarating ride that combines style, performance, and safety. Thank you for tuning in to this comprehensive review of the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Have questions or thoughts about the R15 V5? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and stay passionate about motorcycles.